First one. All right, biceps. So, that's not good. There we go. That was 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're gonna do 8. 8 and rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 different exercises. We're gonna do it 8 repetition for 3 rounds. Just follow me, don't worry. So this one you're gonna stand up. So let's do a row, bent over 8 times. 8, 7, 6. Nice job, Sadie. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Now I'm changing a little bit lighter. So this one, you're just going to stand, like you're zipping up your coat, and then drop it back down. So really try to point your elbows up. So I'm going to add a little bend. You don't have to. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Shake it out in between. All right, so now, here. So, palms towards me. So you're gonna keep it like at your ears, and you're gonna press straight up. So I'm gonna add a bend, but she's gonna stay right there like that. 2, 3, straight up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Okay, now Sadie here. So you're gonna put your one arm out, straight, like thumbs down. So you're gonna really make sure you put your arm as straight as you possibly can. You can kind of look and bend a little. Okay? So you keep going. Or with me, I'm gonna go straight back. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. All right, we all can do this one. So, weight to the front. You're bent forward just a little bit. You're gonna fly back down. Fly. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. That, right? Back to the first one. Standing up, I think. Biceps. Yes. All right, we got 8. Yeah, ready? Here we go. 1, 2, get up tall. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. So lean forward. Arms are straight. Now keep your elbows in the side and squeeze it. Yes, perfect. 1. Flat back. 2, 3, 8. All right, I'm switching now, lighter. All right, let's stand it up a little. We're gonna little bend, stretch one arm up. 1. Here. And that is 2. Straight up. 3. Straight up. Straight up. 5. 6. 7. And 8. Nice. So Sadie in the front. So 2 different options for triceps. So, yeah, there you go. Straight as you can. Or with me. So your elbows are bent in. And both go back. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Oh, 10. I was doing 8, but I guess I gave you 2 extra. Nobody yelled at me. All right, so bend over. We're gonna fly. We are. Flat back, chin up. Out. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. Woo! Get a drink. We're gonna do that one more time. Woo! Yeah, shake it out in between. My arms feel like Gumby. All right, biceps. All right, you can start. So I'm grabbing a little bit heavier this time. Okay, so let's go. So do 1 to the front, then do 1 to the side. So let's count that as 1. Here, here, that's 2. Front, side, that's 3. Nice. Front and side, that's 4. Rest for a second. Drop the arms down. Take it out. All right, we got 4 more of those. Arms up. Here we go. Front, side, front, woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Side, 2 more, front. I get to sleep in tomorrow, right? 1 more, front, man. All right, I'm going lighter now. Get your arms out. All right, so now we're doing a row. Bent over, and a row. Okay, so flat back, straight down, row it. 1, 2, 3, squeeze it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now front, like you're zipping up your coat, right? So I'll do the bend, so it goes up, then come back down. Zip it, come back down. 3, 4, 5, right, overhead shoulder press. One arm at a time. A little bend, up. That's one. Up. That's two. Three. How's my counting so far? Good? Not too fast. 4. Up. Up. That's 5. Up. 6. 7. Last one. All right, let's do the fun tricep one. But before we do, we'll finish with that. Let's do the fly. So bent over, fly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so this one, the last one for this little sequence, use light weights, not heavy. This is the one, keep together, swing, swing, back, swing, and back. Keep going. Swing, press it back. Swing, press it back. Nope, I'm not counting. We're just grooving. Just go with it. Woo! That's why I said lightweight. Curl, press it back. Curl, press it back. Curl, and back. Nice job.